Assalamualaikum grade 1. Take out your social studies book and open page number 7. My body. Okay, this is my body. I have a head. On my head there is hair. My face is round. I have 2 eyes and a nose. I have a mouth and 2 lips. I have white teeth and a pink tongue. I have 2 cheeks and a chin. I have 2 ears. I have a neck. A face. Draw a face and add labels for the part. Okay. You can draw a face like this. Okay. This is here. H-A-I-R. Here. This is head. H-E-A-D. Head. These are eyes. E-Y-E-S. Eyes. Ear. E-A-R. Ear. Nose. N-O-S-E. Nose. Mouth. M-O-U-T-H. Mouth. Teeth. T-E-E-T-H. Teeth. Tongue. T-O-N-G-U-E. Tongue. Chin. C-H-I-N. Chin. Neck. N-E-C-K. Neck. Cheeks. C-H-E-E-K-S. Cheeks. Okay. Did you know human can make thousands of facial expressions? How many can you make? You can also make different face expressions like happy face, happy, sad, angry, and different expressions. And open page number 8. The body. Okay. Now with the help of this picture we learn about our parts of body. Okay, see, this is head, nose, hair, eye, cheek, mouth, chin, neck, elbow, hand, arm, thigh, knee, calf, and foot. Now answer this question. What part of body do you use for running? What part of body do you use for running? Foot means legs. You use legs for running. Okay. What part of your body do you use for eating? Mouth. You use mouth for eating. What part of your body do you use for writing? For writing, you use your hands. Okay. Now page number 9. This is your homework. Now open page number 10. True or false? This is Najib. Look at the picture and take this statement as true or false. Okay. Najib has 3 arms? No. So it's false. He has 2 ears? 2 ears? Yes. So it's true. His hair is grey? He says it's grey. No, it's false. Najib's eyes are green. Look at his eyes. No, so it's false. Now do your homework neatly and take care.